So my name is David Mealey, owner of Milwaukie Hardwoods in Milwaukie, Oregon. What's the moisture content? And you need a good meter to measure that. And you should ideally, in this neighborhood, we like to see things in the 8 to 10% max. 12%, things will acclimate out even after they come out of the kiln, probably to 12%. But if you take it out of the kiln, no less than 6, ideally no more than 10. So you should be asking your wood supplier, was this kiln dried? And it depends on the project. So a lot of people don't even want kiln dried wood. If they want to bend it, or if they want to turn it, or gun stock guys, they typically don't want kiln dried wood. But if you're doing fine joinery, people come to me with a big slab of redwood per se, and I ask them what they're going to do with it. But if you are doing something that has a tight fit, you want it to be dried properly so that when you put it together and have it sit in your house, number one, you don't see bugs crawling out of it. Number two, it doesn't start to move on you, and those tenon and mortise joints that you've spent weeks of your life putting together are now coming apart.